So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 3D stacked area chart on Keynote to your Keynote presentation. So once you open up your Keynote presentation, go to the top here, in between table and text, press on chart. Now make sure that 3D is selected, so just go ahead and press 3D right here. Now if you're looking for a 3D stacked area chart, go to this third row, go to the right hand side to where there's this stacked area chart right here, press on that. Now to verify that you have a stacked area chart selected, press on the chart right here, go to the bottom right to where it says chart type, and make sure that there is a check mark beside 3D stacked area. And what this basically does is you can play around with it and see a 3D view of your recently added stacked area chart. You can also edit chart data right here and input whatever you have to input. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add a 3D stacked area chart to your Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.